Hello kids, today we learn alphabet A, B, C, D. Red color A. A for apple. Orange color B. B for butterfly. Light green color C. C for cat. Blue color D. D for dolphin. Yellow color E. E for elephant. Sky blue color F. F for flower. Red color Z. Z for grape. Orange color H. H for hen. Light green color I. I for ice cream. Blue color J. J for joker. Yellow color K. K for kite. Sky blue color L. L for lion. Red color M. M for mango. Orange color N. N for net. Light green color O. O for orange. Blue color P. P for pineapple. Yellow color Q. Q for queen. Sky blue color R. R for rat. Red color S. S for sun. Orange color T. T for tiger. Light green color U. U for umbrella. Blue color V. V for vase. Yellow color W. W for watermelon. Sky blue color X. X for xylophone. Red color Y. Y for yolk. Orange color Z. Z for zebra.